we're going to take a look at Andy Southall again. He's going to have a great race in this video, and he's going to pinch, squeeze Steve Smith off on the line. Steve's currently the guy just out of shot that's just closed the door on Phil Picciullo, 2:03.069, so Steve's to the left of his shot. Andy's in a good position, and he's a powerful guy. In the full rig, Steve on the left is in the radial rig. Steve's having to manage another sailor on to his windward side. But off we go, the trigger pulls. It looks like Andy Southall's got a bit of a jump on Steve, but it's a good start by 2:03.577. Now it's a straightforward radial versus standard rig. Andy, with his power, block to block, working hard, is just that bit better at pointing. And Steve hits a wave wrong, and that's the end of it. One wave wrong, and he's pushed out the back now by Andy's fantastic physique and hard work. So 2:03.577 is going to slide off and try and create a gap to tack. So he wants to tack behind 1:75.444. Although, of course, as soon as he works the gap, place the baits, then tack anyway. Nice tack from Andy. So he's working. That's a nice amount of sheet out, and then the sheet comes back on. Steve Smith behind is going to have a foot to try and get a clear lane, and also to try and protect his position coming onto the starboard lane line. There are boats off to the left out of shot that he's going to try and manage in order to make sure he's got a clear run into the mark. Here comes the tack for the lay line from Andy, lovely tack. And Steve has managed to manage some of his rivals. He's in third, second is 1:75.444. Nice bear away, Andy. Okay, nice bearaways again. All the fleet behind bearing away. Steve Smith jibes early and goes a little lower. 1:75.444 is sailing a fairly high angle. Steve Smith had to jibe because he had Phil Picciullo behind him, so he's had to jibe to try and protect to make sure Phil can't establish an overlap. Andy, after his amazing start, is just completely in control of the race, sailing fast. No one to worry about. He can just sail a clean race now, which is exactly what he's doing. Here comes the mark rounding. So all the controls set nicely. Great jibe, Andy. Really neat. Look at that. Great mark rounding. Really good sailing. And you'll see behind Steve and Phil coming round. So Steve's overtaken the standard rig, and so is Phil by the looks of it. And now actually the favoured end is the port end of the line. It's the same start-finish line. So Steve Smith has tacked off early because he thinks he can get to that end of the line, and it ends up being quite close between Andy and Steve for first place, just because of sailing to the favoured end. Well done, Andy Southall. What a great race there, and he looks absolutely cream crackered. I'm not surprised. Well done, Andy.